Hey everybody, welcome back to Flat Ride FPV. We finally got the Maiden in with the Dart, and it flew great. It's a great flying plane. I love it. I was trying to do a little bit of cloud surfing, but it was super windy. You'll see in the video, my shirt's just blowing all over the place. So we did have a successful flight. The picture image is beautiful. I'm looking forward to showing you some of that. If you have any questions, of course, hit me up in the comments. And that's it. So with that, let's get into it. Places like that. All right, guys, we're here at the field today. We've got, of course, got the Dart. We're gonna give it a maiden. You can see the wind is blowing pretty good, and I'm trying to beat the rain. I don't know if you can see it up there, but it's coming. So let's go ahead and try to get this up in the air and get a flight in, and we'll go from there. All right, so successful Maiden. You can see that it was just terribly windy up there. I mean, I almost trying to get to the cloud. It was just almost full up elevator on that, and it was just being blown all around. So hopefully it will, if it calms down a little bit, I've got another batter. We're gonna give it another try. See what happens. All right. All right, let's do one more game. All right, well, again, successful flight, successful Maiden. Flies really great. It is so windy out there though. And up there, you'll see in that footage, it is just rocking on along everywhere. I couldn't get to those clouds to save my life. Yeah, I mean, it flew great, flies great. The digital system, I'm really happy with. It's so nice, so beautiful. So it should be good. We'll see when I get home. Everything performed really well. I was doing 1,000 milliwatts. And like I said, came in nice and smooth. It's just, it was a good flight. So my phone's freaking out for whatever reason. So I hope this footage comes out okay. If not, then, well, I guess it's gone. All right, thanks. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Look for something again very soon. I'm gonna be working on the 250 Dart, the 250 gram Dart, and I'll have an HD system in it. We're gonna be using the Cadex rather than the air unit that we have in that. And it's, again, that's a great little flyer. I've flown it before with the had the co-pilot in that one and another camera. Stripped all of it out, but we'll get to that. We'll get to that soon. Just look out for a build for that, and then some random flight footage. Again, thanks a lot for watching. We appreciate it. Come back and see me, okay? All right.